Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Inga here and you have stepped into Queen's Ink, and today I am just feeling all Chanel. So just sit back, relax and watch this Chanel DIY. And if you have not already done so, just hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification and like these videos. And right now guys, look at this really cute packaging that I have. And these are in my Shopify shop, and I will be listing them in my Etsy shop very soon, so you guys can go and check those shops out. I will have the links listed in the videos, and also I will be listing them in the description box below. But I just love these gorgeous lip kits. These are a must-have. And right next to that, I have these gorgeous glitter pigmented eyeshadows, and I have those in platinum and tropical dust, so you guys can go and check those out at my shop. I would appreciate your support. Thank you. So let's get into this video. Okay, for this DIY I will be using these girly 50 by 50 centimeters and 20 by 20 inches pillow covers that I got from Ikea. I got them in black, but they have a variety and a bunch of assorted colors that you guys can shop. And I also got these pillow inserts from Joanns. You can get these with coupons, like when they're having sales, or you know, Joanns, they always have online coupons that you can use, because these are a bit costly. So I did go ahead and I printed and designed my design and cut it already with my silhouette cameo. And if you want me to do an in-depth video how to use a cameo, basically, you can let me know in the comments below. And here's my heat press. It's heating up, so we're just gonna get into this video. So right now I'm just removing the packaging, and I'm gonna clean the pillow cushion up because it has a lot of lint on it. I'm gonna clean these up really good because I don't want all of that lint to interfere with my pressing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take some of the moisture out of this, and as you can see, it's very wrinkled, so I'm just going to get some of that wrinkle out of this pillow cushion. And what it also do to the design is it helps it to stick a bit better. So it's best if you're doing t-shirts or something like this to just press it before you apply your design, and it takes some of the moisture and the wrinkles out. So I'm just going to go ahead and just get all of the wrinkles out of this. But you guys can let me know if you want to see how I designed the Chanel logo in the cameo. You can just let me know in the comments below. And if you guys try this at home, you can tag me or you can send me a link or whatever you want to do. Don't be shy. Just let me know, and I want to see how you did it and how it came out. So as you can see, it is almost wrinkle free, and I'll just shake it out a bit to cool it off and get some more of those wrinkles out. It is a bit tedious with this pillow cover because it's very thick. So right here is my first design, and it's a glitter silver. I don't know why it's showing a bit white. And so I'm going to place it or center it properly, and as you know, it's already up. The pillow cushion is a bit warm, has some moisture out of it, and that is the Chanel label that I'm placing at the bottom of it. And then I will be going ahead and pressing. So I'm just gonna go over again, make sure everything is centered properly, because I don't want to miss or have it one-sided or left-sided or anything. This is my Teflon sheet. You have to use this over any project that you're doing with a heat press. It's very important because you just cannot heat press without it, because it'll destroy the entire design or the work or whatever you're doing. So what I like to do is just go over it twice, especially if the material is a bit thick. I don't usually put it to like 30 seconds because I have it to 15 seconds. I just like to go over it a second time. So what I usually do is I remove the transfer tape, place it back into the heat press, take the Teflon sheet and just press again. I want to make sure that this design or whatever designs I do not move or do not come off easily. Also, the material that I'm using here is heat transfer glitter, and you can get these on Amazon, you can get them from Michael's, you can get them from Walmart, wherever you can find them. So I'm placing it back into the heat press again and going over one more time. I think the design came out absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait for you guys to try this and let me know how it came out. So I'm just gonna go into the other one right here. I weeded it already, so I'm just gonna place it onto the pillow cover. As you can see, it's already on the vinyl, and I'm just gonna center it and just follow the instructions like I did on the previous one. And what I'm using here is not the HTV, it's vinyl, and it's white glossy vinyl. I'm just trying to get my center here, and then I will be applying the Teflon sheet and pressing it. So if you want to, I'm just gonna reiterate the same steps that I did in the previous one. And the heat press is set at 350 and the heating time is 15 seconds. So that's what I use for this settings. And on this one, I just have the double C, and I think I did it maybe 10 inches long and maybe 7 inches across or to the sides, I think it was. And then I'm just going to put in the inserts. So this is the silver one. It has a bit of the glitter sprinkler on it. I'm just going to brush that away. And here we have the white vinyl all completed. So there we have them again, and this is the white and the silver glitter, and this is how it'll look wherever I decide to place them. Most likely I will be placing them in the new room that I just redid. And here we have the Queen's ink pillow, and this will be on my Shopify shop also for purchase. I will be listing them tomorrow, so you guys can go there and check that out. So guys, I'm at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like these videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So long.